Once upon a time, deep in a quiet forest, lived a sweet little bird. She had shiny feathers and a gentle heart. But she had a strange habit. Every day, whatever she saw, heard, or felt, she would write it down on a small stone. Whether the moment was happy or painful, she believed every experience was worth remembering. She thought good memories kept us smiling, and bad ones should be written down and released from the heart. So, every day, she picked up a new stone, carved her thoughts on it with her beak, and placed it inside a tiny cloth bag she carried everywhere. At first, it felt beautiful. She enjoyed collecting her memories, believing that one day they would guide her. The little bag became her treasure, filled with moments from her life. But as the days passed, the bag grew heavier. More stones meant more weight, and slowly it affected her wings. Her flight became slower, and she could no longer fly as high as before. Yet the little bird didn't notice. She kept collecting more stones, believing they were important. One day, she met an old, wise owl. The owl asked, "Why do you carry that bag, little one?" The bird smiled and said, "It holds my life. Every joy, every pain, every lesson." The owl frowned and replied, "But do you still live in today? Or are you flying with yesterday on your back?" The bird didn't understand and flew away, though even that flight felt heavier than ever. Weeks passed. Her bag became completely full, even overflowing. She struggled to lift herself off the ground. Her wings ached and her energy faded. One rainy evening, as she tried to fly to safety, she fell. The weight of the stones crushed her tiny body. She lay silently beneath the same memories she once believed would save her. That night, the owl returned. Looking at the still little bird, he whispered sadly, "Memories are meant to guide, not to hold you back." Like the little bird, many people carry their past, both happiness and pain, for far too long. But when we hold on to everything, our hearts grow tired. We cannot enjoy the present or fly toward the future. Life is about letting go. We cannot change what has already happened, but we can make our today beautiful. So forgive, forget, and move on. Embrace new experiences, take new steps, and live with a light heart. Be grateful, be patient, and always keep moving forward.